Welcome to part 2 of animal adaptations. Today we are going to learn about how animal pelts, skulls, scat, and tracks can show animal adaptations used to survive in its habitat. Pelts are the skin and fur of an animal. By looking at an animal's pelt, we can see the shape of the animal. Pelts show us how large or small an animal is. The thickness of the fur, such as this buffalo, shows how it has adapted to the cold temperature of its habitat. Pelts can even tell us if an animal lives in water or on land. Oily pelts like this river otter tell us it's adapted to spend a lot of its life in the water. Skulls are made of bones that form the skeleton of the head and face to protect the brain. You can tell a lot about an animal just by looking at different parts of its skull. First, let's talk about what the skull's teeth tell us about the food an animal eats. This coyote eats meat. See how sharp those teeth are? That's so the coyote can rip and tear meat. This white-tailed deer and her fawn eat plants. Deer teeth are flat, so they can grind plants. This black bear and her cubs eat many different foods, including meat and plants. Bears have both sharp teeth like a coyote to rip and tear meat, and flat teeth like the deer for grinding plants. By looking at the location of an animal's eyes, you can tell whether the animal is a predator, a hunter, or is hunted as prey. Bobcats are predators. Look at those eyes. The eyes are pointed forward, which allows the animal to focus on its prey as it hunts. This is called binocular vision. This snowshoe hare is hunted by many different animals. It is a prey item. Its eyes are on opposite sides of its head, giving it the widest view to watch for predators. With eyes located on the side, hares can see predators coming from many different directions. Scat is animal droppings or animal poop. I know, it sounds pretty gross, but each animal's scat is different. By looking at scat, we can estimate the animal's size and sometimes tell what they are eating. When looking at scat, if we see hair or bones like this coyote scat, we know the animal has adapted to eat meat and has sharp teeth. If you see plant material like this deer scat, we know it has flat teeth for grinding and chewing. Tracks are the imprints left in the ground from an animal walking. Tracks can tell us some adaptations. If there is webbed feet, like this river otter's tracks, it means the animal's adapted to live part of its life in water. A bobcat track doesn't have claw marks. Cat nails adapted to be able to pull them in while the cat is walking. This keeps claws sharp and allows the cat to walk quietly and able to sneak up on its prey. Next time you are outside, see if you can observe any animals or animal scat and tracks. Maybe you can spot some adaptations.